Hello students, welcome to the video class of the chapter trigonometric equation. Before that we should do Brahmanath. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dear students, in last class we discussed the problems of trigonometric equations from the material. Today we are going to discuss some more problems from material and textbook. Now the question is solve from question number 1 to 4. Solve from question number 1 to 4, and question number 5 is what? Prove that. Now question number 1 is 81 sin square to the power sin square theta. Question number 1 is solution of question number 1. So what is here? 81 to the power sin square theta plus 81 to the power cos square theta is equal to what? Is equal to 30. You may transform sin square theta in terms of cos square theta or cos square theta in terms of sin square theta, as you wish. So this is equal to what? 81 sin square theta plus 81 1 minus sin square theta is equal to 30. Clear? Now we can write here 81 sin square theta plus 81 by, that is 81 sin square theta is equal to what? 30. So taking LCM here, what? 81 to the power sin square theta, this is equal to what? Or take 81 sin square theta is equal to what? Suppose y. Or take 81 sin square theta is equal to suppose y. Let 81 to the power sin square theta is equal to suppose y for simplification. So this is y plus 81 by y is equal to 30. So that is what? That implies y square plus 81 is equal to 30 y, or by y is equal to 30, or that implies what? Y square plus 81 is equal to 30 y, or that is what? Y square minus 30y plus what? 81 is equal to 0. Now factorize this. Find the value of y. What? This is 81 and this is what? 31. Now this can be what? We can break it, that is y square minus 27 y minus 3 y plus 81 is equal to 0. Okay. Now what happens here? That is y common here, y minus 27 minus 3 common here, y minus 27 is equal to 0. So y minus 27 into y minus 3 is equal to 0. Y minus 27 is equal to 0, or y minus 3 is equal to 0. So this is what? Y is equal to 27, or this is y equal to 3. Y means what? 81 to the power sin square theta. 81 to the power sin square theta is equal to 27. That is what? We can write here that is 3 to the power what? 3 to the power 4, 3 to the power what? 3 to the power 4 to the power sin square theta is equal to 3 to the power 3, or 4 sin 3 to the power what? 3 to the power 4 sin square theta is equal to what? 3 to the power 3. So this is 4 sin square theta is equal to what? 3, and sin square theta is equal to 3 by 4, or sin square theta is equal to, we can write here, that is equal to what? Root 3 by 2 whole square. So we can write here sin square theta is equal to sin square, that is what? 60, means pi by 3. What is formula? Sin square x is equal to sin square alpha. The formula is sin square x is equal to what? Sin square alpha. So x is equal to what? N pi plus or minus alpha. This is the formula here we have to use. So theta is equal to n pi, that is plus or minus pi by 3, n belongs to z. Again here y is equal to what? 3. Y means what? 81 to the power sin square theta is equal to 3, or we can write 3 to the power what? We can write here 3 to the power 4 sin square theta is equal to 3 to the power 1. So that is equal, that is 4 sin square theta is equal to 1. So sin square theta is equal to 1 by 4, or we can write sin square theta is equal to what? 1 by 2 whole square, means what? Sin square theta, this is what? This is equal to half, means what? Sin 30. So sin square pi by 6. So theta is equal to n pi plus or minus pi by 6. N belongs to z. This is the solution of the question number 1. Now what is question number 2? What is question number 2? Question number 2 is question number 2. Question number 2 is what? Solution of question number 2. So what is here the solution? This is equal to sec 4x. Sec 4x minus sec 2x is equal to what? 2. Sec 4x minus sec 2x is equal to, that implies 1 by cos 4x minus 1 by cos 2x is equal to 2. So taking LCM here, what? Cos 4x into cos 2x, cos 4x into cos 2x. So this is cos 2x minus cos 4x is equal to 2. So here that is what? Cos 4x, that is what? Cos 2x minus cos 4x is equal to 2 cos 4x into cos 2x. Now what will we do? That is 2 cos A cos B formula. So this is what? 2 cos A cos B means cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. So cos of A plus B means what? Cos 6x, and cos of A minus B means cos 2x. So this is, we can write here, that is cos 2x minus cos 4x is equal to 2 cos A cos B, means cos 4x plus 2x plus cos 4x minus 2x. So that is equal to what? Cos 2x minus cos 4x is equal to cos 6x plus cos 2x. So cos 2x goes cancel here. Now cos what? Cos 6x minus cos 4x is equal to 0. Now the formula is cos C minus cos D. So 2 sin minus 2 sin 6x plus 4x by 2 into sin 6x minus what? 4x by 2 is equal to 0 is equal to 0. So this is equal to what? That is minus 2 divide is what? 0 by minus 2. So sine of what? 10x by 2. So sine 5x into sine 2x by 4x minus 6x, 2x by 2. So sine x is equal to 0. Now sine 5x is equal to what? Now sine 5x is equal to, now here sine 5x is equal to 0 or sine x is equal to 0. So sine 5x is equal to 0 means what? That implies 5x is equal to n pi, or that is x is equal to n pi. So 5x is x is equal to what? X is equal to n pi by 5, n belongs to z, and x here n belongs to z. This is the solution of the question number what? Question number 2. 1 complete, 2 complete. Now question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3 is little bit lengthy. So now write the question number what? 3. Now question number 3 is homework for you. Question number 3 is homework. Okay. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is what? Question number 4. Question number 3 is homework for you. Then question number 4. Question number 4 is equal to what? Solution of question number 4. So this is tan theta plus tan 2 theta plus tan theta into tan 2 theta is equal to what? 1. That implies tan theta plus tan 2 theta is equal to 1 minus tan theta into tan 2 theta. This is equal to what? This is equal to tan theta plus tan 2 theta divide by 1 minus tan theta into tan 2 theta is equal to 1. And this is what? Tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B, tan A plus B. So tan theta plus 2 theta is equal to 1. So this is equal to tan 3 theta is equal to 1. Tan 3 theta is equal to 1. That implies what? Tan 3 theta is equal to tan pi by 4. So the 3 theta is equal to n pi plus pi by 4, or theta is equal to n pi by 3 plus pi by 12 and to z. Now question number 5. Question number 5, solution of question number 5, that is proof of question number 5. If tan theta, tan of cot x, if tan of cot x is equal to cot of tan x is equal to cot of tan x, to prove sin 2x is equal to 4 by 2n plus 1 into pi, 2n plus 1 into pi. So that is what? From given data tan of cot x is equal to cot of tan x. So we can write here, that implies tan of cot x is equal to tan of pi by 2 minus tan x, because tan pi by 2 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. So write this. So tan here. Now this is what? Cot x is equal to pi by 2, that is cot x is equal to pi by 2 minus tan x, or that implies what? Tan x plus cot x is equal to pi by 2. Tan x plus cot x is equal to pi by 2. So write this is sin x by cos x, and this is what? Cos x by sin x is equal to pi by 2. Now taking LCM here, that is what? sin square x plus cos square x divided by what? Sin x into cos x is equal to pi by 2. So sin square x plus cos square x is equal to what? Sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. So that is 1 by sin x into cos x is equal to, that is what? That is pi by 2. Pi by 2. So this is pi by 2. Here that tan of x is equal to what? Tan x is equal to tan alpha. So x means what? Cot x. Cot x is equal to what? N pi plus what? Pi by 2 minus tan x. So this is what? N pi plus pi by 2. Sorry, this is n pi plus pi by 2, that is tan x. Here n pi plus pi by 2. So take here common, that is 2n pi plus pi by 2. So that is what? 1 by sin x into cos x is equal to, that is what? This is 2 pi common here, that is what? Pi common. So 2n plus 1 into what? Pi by 2. So multiplied, that is reverse is what? Sin x, reciprocal, sin x into cos x is equal to 2 by 2n plus 1 into what? Pi. So multiply both side by 2. 2 sin x into cos x is equal to 4 by what? 2n plus 1 into pi. So this is equal to what? Sin 2x is equal to 4 by 2n plus 1 into pi. This is proved. Okay. Now another question. Solve cos 3s minus cos 2s is equal to sin 3s. So solution is, the answer is what? Cos 3x minus cos 2x is equal to sin 3x. Apply cos q formula. 4 cos q x minus 3 cos x is equal to what? 3 sin x minus 4 sin q x. So take this side, take nearer to this and take 4 is common. So 4, this is cos qx plus sin qx minus here minus 3 cos x minus what? 3 sin x minus 3 sin x is equal to 0, or we can take common here minus 3 and this will be what? And this will be plus. So apply aq plus bq formula. So 4 into aq means a plus b, cos x plus sin x into what? Cos a square means cos square x minus ab cos x into sin x plus b square means what? Cos square x into minus what? Minus 3 cos x plus sin x is equal to 0. So here that is 4 into cos x plus sin x into cos square x plus sin square x 1 minus cos x into sin x minus 3 into cos x plus sin x is equal to 0. So take common cos x plus sin x. Cos x plus sin x as common. So here that is 4 into 1, 4 minus 4 cos x into sin x, and this is what? Minus 3 is equal to 0. That is what? That is cos x plus sin x into 4 minus 3, that is 1 minus what? 4 sin x into cos x is equal to 0. Got it? This is what? AQ plus BQ. So AQ plus BQ is equal to what? Here also minus 2x present. So this is also minus 2x present. Sorry, this is minus 2x. Minus what? Cos 2x. So minus cos 2x. We get here, that is what? Minus cos square x. So minus what? Minus of cos square x minus sin square x. So this will be what? This is equal to minus of cos x plus sin x into what? Cos x minus sin x. This minus 2x is present here. So write it here, that is what? Minus cos 2s. Minus 2 cos 2s. So this is minus cos 2x, and this is what? The formula is 3 sin x, that is 3 sin x minus 4 sin q x. Okay, minus cos 2 is present here. So this is what? Minus cos 2s, that is come sin q x comes here, and this is and cos 2s, this is equal to 0. So that is what? Taking cos x plus sin x is common. So cos x plus sin x common means what? This is cos x minus sin x, cos x minus sin x, cos x minus sin x. So one term here left, that is what? Minus 3 here, and this is minus of cos x plus sin x. Clear? Is equal to 0. So 4 minus 1, that is here minus of cos x plus sin x. So this is cos x, and this is what? Cos x minus cos x plus sin x common. Here cos x minus sin is present. So cos x minus sin x, that is equal to 0. Clear? Again, this is, again I repeat the question. Cos 3s minus cos 2s is equal to what? Sin 3s. So cos 3s minus cos 2s is equal to what? Sin 3s. So apply cos 3s formula, apply sin 3s formula, take this to this side. Okay, sin qx, cos qx 4 common, correct? Now this is equal to 0, or that implies what? Cos x plus sin x is equal to 0 implies what? Or 1 minus 4 sin x into cos x minus cos x minus sin x is equal to 0. So for this we get sin x is equal to what? Minus cos x, and tan x is equal to what? Sin by cos, that is tan x is equal to minus 1. So tan x is equal to minus 1 means tan x is equal to tan of minus pi by 4. So x is equal to n pi minus pi by 4. N belongs to z. Now for this part, now for this part, what is here? 1 minus 4 sin x into cos x minus cos x minus sin x is equal to 0. Let cos x minus sin x is equal to, suppose y, squaring both sides. So what happens here? That is cos square x plus sin square x minus 2 cos x into sin x is equal to y square. That implies what? 1 minus 2 sin x into cos x is equal to y square, or 2 sin x into cos x is equal to what? 1 minus y square. Apply this result. Suppose this is equation A. Apply this result and this result in equation A. So from equation A we get here, from equation A we get here, that is 1 minus, that is what? 1 minus 2 sin x into cos x is equal to what? 1 minus y square. So 2 into 1 minus y square and sin x minus cos x is equal to what? Y is equal to 0. That implies what? 1 minus 2 plus 2y square minus y is equal to 0. That implies 2y square minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. So that implies 2y square minus 2y plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is 2y common, y minus 1 plus 1 common, y minus 1 is equal to 0. So y minus 1 into what? 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. So y minus 1 is equal to 0, y, that implies what? Y is equal to 1. Y means what? Cos x minus sin x. Cos x minus sin x is equal to 1. Cos x minus sin x equal to 1. Again here 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. That is 2y, 2 into y plus 1. That is 2 cos x minus 2 sin x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now solve this. This is what? Cos x minus sin x. So according to this question, that is what? Cos x minus sin x is equal to what? This is y is equal to y plus 1 equal, y is equal to what? 1, or y is equal to what? 1 by 2. That is 2y square plus y, 2y square plus 2y, not here, plus 2y. That is what? Cos x minus sin x common. So cos x minus sin x common, that is here cos x minus sin x. Clear? This is cos square x minus x. So y is equal to 1. So y is equal to 1. Solve this. Now here cos x, y minus 1, y minus 2y square minus, correct. So y minus 1 is equal to 0, and this is what? This is cos x minus sin x is equal to 1. Cos x minus sin x is equal to 1, or that is divide by 1 by a equal to 1, b equal to divide by what? 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 cos x, 1 by root 2 sin x is equal to 1. So this is what? Cos x into cos pi by 4 minus sin x into sin pi by 4. Sin pi by 4. Sin pi by 4. This is sin pi by 4 is equal to 1. So cos a cos b minus cos sin a sin b. So cos a plus b, cos x plus pi by 4 is equal to cos 0. So x plus pi by 4 is equal to 2n pi plus or minus 0. So that is x is equal to 2n pi minus pi by 4, n belongs to z. Again y is equal to what? That is we can get here, that is y equal to minus 1 by 2. Y is equal to minus 1 by 2. So if y is equal to minus, y means what? Cos x minus sin x. Cos x minus sin x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay, then divide both side by what? That is root 2. Divide both side by 2. So cos x minus sin x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Divide both side by what? Root 2. 1 by root 2, that is what? Divide by both side by, that is a square plus b square root of 1 by root 2 cos x minus 1 by root 2 sin x is equal to minus 1 by 2 root 2. So this is what? Cos of a, that is cos pi by 4 into cos x minus what? Sin pi by 4 into sin x is equal to what? Is equal to minus 1 by 2 root 2. So this is equal to cos of x plus pi by 4 is equal to, suppose this is cos b alpha. Suppose this is cos alpha, where let minus 1 by 2 root 2 equal to suppose cos alpha, suppose. So x is equal to what? X plus pi by 4 is equal to, that is 2n pi plus or minus alpha, and x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha minus pi by 4, where alpha is equal to, where alpha equal this, where alpha is equal to what? Alpha is equal to cos inverse minus 1 by 2 root 2. This is the solution of this question. This is lengthy one. These are the problems of trigonometric equation. This is last class of the trigonometric equation. Thank you. Have a nice day. Solve cos 3x minus cos 2x is equal to sin 3x. Okay, so this answer is, solution is what? Cos 3x minus cos 2x is equal to sin 3x. Apply cos 3x formula. So this is what? Cos 3x. Cos 3x is equal to 4 cos qx minus 3 cos x, and cos 2x is equal to what? Cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. This is equal to what? This is equal to sin 3x means what? 3 sin x minus 4 sin q x. Now write 4 cos qx minus 4 sin qx minus 3 cos x minus 3 sin x, and this is what? Minus of cos x plus sin x into cos x into what? Cos x minus sin x is equal to 0. Now this is equal to 4 common, cos qx minus what? Cos qx plus here, not minus, plus sin qx minus 3 into cos x plus sin x, cos x plus sin x minus cos x plus sin x into cos x minus sin x is equal to 0. So this is aq plus bq. So aq plus bq means what? A plus b into a square plus b square. So cos square x plus sin square x minus ab minus cos x into sin x. Bracket close, and this is what? This is bracket cos qx minus sin cos qx plus sin qx. This is bracket close. Bracket close here. So minus 3 of cos x plus sin x and minus of cos x plus sin x into cos x minus sin x is equal to 0. So take common here cos x plus sin x, cos x plus sin x na is, so take common cos x plus sin x, that implies cos x plus sin x common. So this is what? This is 1. So 4 into what? Cos square x plus sin square x is, that is 1 minus 4 cos x minus cos x into sin x plus this is minus 3 and this is what? Minus of cos x plus minus sin x is equal to what? 0, is equal to 0. So that implies cos x plus sin x, and this is what? 4 minus 4 cos x into sin x minus 3, and this is what? Sin x plus sin x minus cos x is equal to 0. So that implies cos x plus sin x into 4 minus 3, that is 1 minus 4 sin x into cos x plus sin x minus cos x is equal to 0. Here that is what? Cos x plus sin x equal to 0, cos x plus sin x is equal to 0, or 1 minus 4 sin x into cos x plus sin x minus cos x is equal to what? 0. This is equal to 0. Now for this is equal to what? Sin x is equal to minus cos x, divide by cos x, that is tan x is equal to what? Minus 1. So tan x is equal to minus 1, that is what? Tan x is equal to 10 minus pi by 4, that is plus n x is equal to n pi minus pi by 4. So n belongs to z. Now for this that is what? For this, now 1 minus 4 sin x into cos x plus sin x minus cos x is equal to what? 0. Let sin x minus cos x is equal to, suppose, y. Squaring both sides. That is what? Sin square x plus cos square x 1 है. 1 minus 2 sin x into cos x is equal to y square. Or this is what? This is 2 sin x into cos x is equal to what? 1 minus y square. So now suppose this is equation A, suppose. Now equation A will be what? Equation A will be 1 minus what? 1 minus 2 into what? 2 into 2 sin x into cos x, value is 1 minus y square, plus what? This is y is equal to 0. That implies what? 1 minus 2 plus 2y square plus y is equal to 0, or that implies y square 2y square plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now factorize this, that is equal to 2y square plus 2y minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. So 2 into y common, y plus 1 minus 1 common, y plus 1 is equal to 0. That implies y plus 1 is equal to y plus 1 into 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. That implies y plus 1 equal to 0, or 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. So y is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to what? Minus 1 by 2. Y is equal to minus 1 and y equal to minus 1 by 2. So this is what? Again y is equal to minus 1. Again y is equal to minus 1. Y means what? Sin x minus cos x. Minus cos x is equal to minus 1. So divide both sides by what? 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 multiply sin x minus 1 by root 2 cos x is equal to minus 1. Okay. So this is what? Sin x into sin pi by 4 minus cos sin x into sin pi by 4 minus what? Cos x into cos pi by 4 is equal to minus 1. So, take minus common, that is what? Cos x into cos pi by 4 minus sin x into what? Take minus common, sin pi by 4 is equal to what? This is equal to minus 1. So, minus minus cancel, that is equal to cos of x plus pi by 4 is equal to 1. 1 means what? Cos 0. That implies cos x plus pi by 4 is equal to cos 0. So, x plus pi by 4 is equal to 2n pi plus or minus 0. So, this is equal to what? This is equal to x is equal to 2n pi plus minus pi by 4, n belongs to z. Now, this is another question, and again what is here? Cos y is equal to minus 1 by 2. Cos y is equal to minus 1 by 2. Cos, that is y equal to minus 1 by 2. Y means what? That implies sin x minus cos x is equal to minus 1 by 2, or cos x minus sin x is equal to 1 by root 2. Multiply, divide by 1 by root 2. So, 1 by root 2 into cos x plus 1 by root 2 into sin x is equal to 1 by 2 root 2. This is equal to what? Cos x into cos pi by 4 minus sin x into sin pi by 4 is equal to 1 by 2 root 2. So, this is cos x plus pi by 4 is equal to 1 by 2 root 2. Let 1 by 2 root 2 is equal to cos alpha. So, cos x plus pi by 4 is equal to cos alpha, then x plus pi by 4 is equal to what? 2n pi plus or minus alpha, and x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha minus pi by 4. N belongs to z, and alpha is equal to what? Alpha is equal to cos inverse 1 by 2 root 2. This is the answer of this question. Okay. Now, another question. Hint for the homework question. This is homework. What is homework? Homework question. Homework question is what? Solve sin 4th x plus cos 4th x is equal to sin x into cos x. Okay. So, hint is I will do the work question. I will do the question, and the material short question is homework for you. Suppose this is what? Now, sin 4th x answer. Solution: sin 4th x plus cos 4th x is equal to what? Sin x into cos x. So, this is what? Sin square x whole square plus cos square x whole square is equal to sin x into cos x. This is a square plus b square. So, a plus b means sin square x plus what? Cos square x whole square minus 2 sin square x into cos square x is equal to sin x into cos x. Okay. So, this is 1 square 1 minus 2 sin square x into cos square x is equal to sin x into cos x. Reduce into what? Sin 2s form. So, multiply both sides by 2. Multiply both sides by 2. So, this is equal to minus 4 sin square x into cos square x is equal to 2 sin x into cos x. This is equal to what? 2 minus two sin x into cos x whole square. So, sin square 2x is equal to sin 2x. Now, this is equal to sin square 2x minus what? Plus what? Sin 2x, and this is what? plus sin 2x, and this is minus 2 is equal to 0. This is quadratic equation, that is what we can write here, that is sin 2x, sin square 2x. So sin square 2x plus 2 sin 2x minus 2 minus sin 2x is equal to this is equal to minus 2 is equal to 0. So common here sin 2x. So sin 2x plus what 2, and this is minus 1 common, sin 2x plus what 2 is equal to 0. Now sin 2x plus 2 into sin 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Clear? So this is what sin 2x plus 2 is equal to 0, which is impossible, because that is sin 2x is equal to minus 2, which is impossible. And again here sin 2x is equal to 1, here sin 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So sin 2x is equal to 1. Sin 2x is equal to 1 means what? Sin 2x is equal to 1 means sin 2x is equal to 1. So 1, that is what, sin 90 means pi by 2. That will plus 2x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to n into pi by 2. So x is equal to n pi by 2 plus minus 1 to n into pi by 4. N belongs to z. These are the solution of the, this is the solution of the, okay, sin 2s plus 2 is equal to, so sin 2s equal to minus 2 impossible, and this is sin 2s minus 1 equal to 0, sin 2s is equal to 1. So sin 2s means 1 means sin pi by 2, then apply the formula, x is equal to n pi plus or minus 1 to the n and alpha, alpha means what, pi by 2, then find x. These are the some questions of the equation, trigonometric equation. This is the last class of the trigonometric equation. In last class we will discuss about set theory. Okay, now the material questions, some short questions, that is, these are homework for you. The assignment question is homework for you. Thank you. Have a nice day.